Safeguarding our valuable biodiversity for posterity as a priority that cannot be neglected any longer. India is known for diverse flora and fauna, mainly varieties of crops, livestock, and plant genetic resources. The diverse agroclimatic zones and many more microhabitats within these agroclimatic zones have allowed the existence and diversity of genetic resources. In tribal regions, one can see how communities have been living in harmony with the nature. Some of these valuable genetic resources and biodiversity is now under serious threat of extinction. Not only that these resources are getting scarcer, but of late, the rich knowledge that indigenous communities have on the use and conservation practices of these diverse bioresources is fast getting eroded. The younger generations today seem to have a very limited understanding of region's biodiversity, which is an important source of food, nutrition, and livelihood security. Realizing the importance of maintaining the biodiversity for future research, food security, livelihood, and risk mitigation ability of small farmers and future generations, BAIF Development Research Foundation have initiated a participatory process of in situ and ex situ conservation and revival of local cultivars including cereals, pulses, oilseeds, wild tubers, and driver forest food resources in tribal parts of India. Characterization and evaluation of crop, landraces and trials for productivity enhancement of worthy landraces. Local seed banks and seed exchange networks have been set up to facilitate storage, exchange, and multiplication of traditional seeds. This can be taken up as a model of replication under different community networks. Participatory events around region's agrobiodiversity and wild food resources, giving a boost to the local community and expanding the reach of the traditional knowledge through various visiting community networks. Recognition to the communities involved and benefit sharing. Awareness generation on agrobiodiversity through seed festivals, seed savers meet. Generation of location-specific database on existing local cultivars made available on the internet to the wider audience. Identification and involvement of local institutions and farmers for long-term conservation and management efforts in each location. Community mobilization for participation and conservation and management of resources. Network of like-minded organizations, experts and research organizations mobilized, safeguarded the traditional knowledge and bioresources